Hi, it's Emily from WTI. If you're a little bit of a coffee snob, this pour over system from TYEMUI is going to change your life. This all-in-one system lets you have pour over coffee anytime, anywhere. It includes a stainless steel mug and a paperless permanent filter. The permanent filter actually fits perfectly in my coffee grinder, which is awesome. You can set the BPA-free plastic cup inside the stainless steel mug, inside the filter, and have everything ready to go and take it with you on the go. When you're ready to brew, you simply take the filter out, pop up the arms on the side, which hold it over your mug, and pour over hot water. I did about 3 passes with the hot water, which gave me the perfect amount of coffee. It was strong, rich, and wonderful. Then you can set the used coffee filter in the plastic cup, which keeps the coffee from getting everywhere when you're on the go. Both of these were easily washable. I also like that it fits inside my cup holder when I am on the go. The coffee was just delicious. I love this for camping, traveling, busy days. It lets you have high quality coffee with you at all times. If you're someone for whom a good cup of coffee is really important, I think this system is the perfect system. It's compact and easy to use. I think you're going to love this system. And that's my point of view.